Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat for today. Until tomorrow, Tuesday, we still have the prevailing easterlies enhanced by the still strong La Niña affecting the Philippine Islands, and the various sections of the Philippine Islands will continue to have afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the Bicol region, portions of the eastern and northern Luzon, as well as the eastern sections of the Visayas and the Mindanao. So the easterlies will be prevailing for the next 3 days based on the latest forecast models. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing tropical systems right now. Just a surface trough over south of Guam and a developing intertropical convergence zone in the vicinity of the eastern Micronesia and over the Marshall Islands. So over areas affected by these thunderstorms, watch out for possible flash floods and landslides, particularly in hazard-prone areas. And if you take a look at the fast animation from University of Wisconsin tropical cyclone page, these thunderstorms continues to affect most of the country, particularly in the afternoon. And if you take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, these are the dark red signature of the infrared satellite animation from windy.com. So these are the thunderstorms affecting various sections of Mindanao, eastern Visayas, central and eastern Luzon, Mindoro, and also some portions of southern Tagalog provinces, and earlier this afternoon over the Bicol region. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, for tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we are expecting some easterly winds to prevail across extreme northern Luzon and some light winds from the east across the eastern sections of the country, while variable winds will be expected in the central and western sections of the archipelago. And on Wednesday afternoon, the easterlies will slowly intensify over the eastern sections of the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao, becoming more windy or breezy across the Batanes, Mabuhay Cubao Islands of extreme northern Luzon. Elsewhere, variable winds will persist. And on Thursday afternoon, we still continue to see the prevailing easterlies affecting the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao, becoming southeasterly winds across the extreme northern and northeastern portions of Luzon, Cagayan Valley, as well as the Batanes, Mabuhay Cubao Islands, while over inland areas of Luzon like northern and central Luzon, Mimaropa, the rest of the Visayas, the winds will be variable. Okay, and so far that's the latest from the wind forecast. Everything is calm, sunny to cloudy, and some afternoon thunderstorms will be expected, as you can see here from the latest rain forecast from the European model. By tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, various sections of the country will experience some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms becoming more frequent over the mountainous areas of northern Luzon like Isabela, and also over the central plain of Luzon like over in Tarlac, Pampanga, Metro Manila, portions of southern Tagalog provinces, Mindoro, Bicol region, and it will be becoming more intense over the central sections of Mindanao, including Davao region, Soxigen, and also Bukidnon and areas like Lanao provinces. So expect these afternoon or evening rain showers to prevail over the island of Mindanao. And on Wednesday afternoon, same weather conditions will be expected. Isolated rain showers and thunderstorms to prevail across Luzon, Visayas, Bicol region, Mindanao. And on Thursday afternoon, the rain showers and thunderstorms will slowly weaken. Only the western sections of Luzon, also portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and the smaller areas of Mindanao will be expected during the mid-afternoon, particularly over the Davao Oriental area. Here's a westward moving cloudiness, possible brought about by the easterlies. Okay, and here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. We expect some afternoon or evening rain showers to prevail across various sections of the country. These are thunderstorms, those dark orange. And over at Mindanao, you can clearly see here strong thunderstorms to strong rainfall will be expected due to the thunderstorms that will be forming every afternoon until Thursday. And here's also the areas of eastern Visayas where rain showers and thunderstorms will also be expected within the next 3 days every afternoon. And before we leave you, here's the latest El Nino La Niña update. And as of now, early March 2022, from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA and the International Research Institute, right now, we're now on the February, March, April time frame. La Niña is still at 100%, so it's likely we are continue to experience this moderate La Niña. That's why the Philippine Islands continues to experience afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms extending to the evening. And between March, April, May, it will slowly weaken, but still at 94%. La Niña during the month of April, May, June is still at 80%, and it is likely to coincide with the onset of the rainy season during the month of May, June, July. La Niña is still at 64%, and it will start to weaken considerably, and probably it will return to neutral conditions between June, July, and August. And from there on, the probability will be still around 50%, around 50% both of the, and from July, August, September, all the way to October, November, December, the La Niña and neutral conditions remains the same at 40%. So far, the forecast shows that the effects of La Niña will still continue until the onset of the rainy season. It will coincide with the rainy season, so we expect to have a slightly above average rainfall conditions all throughout the hot dry season, also known as summer. Okay, since we don't have any summer season in the Philippines, we only have wet and dry season. That's why during the months of March, April, May, the Philippine Islands will be under the hot dry season. That's why usually it's dry, but due to the moderate La Niña, we could expect some rain showers and thunderstorms during the hot dry season months of April, May, or March, April, May, and return to normal conditions will be expected during June, July, August. Okay, so that's the latest from the La Niña event. So our hot dry season will remain a mixture of high temperatures and more thunderstorms. Okay, so that's the latest from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.